You're watching How Leap Let's Limit Comments on Your Instagram Posts. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon. Tap the three-line menu in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap How Others Can Interact with You, then tap Comments. Here you will find the Limit Comments option. Tap it. You can choose to limit comments from everyone or select people you follow. Enabling this restricts most comments to only come from your followers or people you follow. You can also manage this for individual posts. When creating a new post, tap Advanced Settings before sharing, find Comments and toggle on Limit Comments. For an existing post, go to the post, tap the three dots above it, select Limit Comments, and confirm. Additionally, in the main comments settings, you can use manual filter to block specific keywords or automatic filter to hide offensive comments. These settings help you control your interactions. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.